Your ate is here.
Hi, maayong buntag pa man, no? Maayong buntag kin natong tanan. First of all, I want to thank you all for being here. I know it's a busy day for everybody, but seeing you all here is very kanang nice gid kayo siya na feeling because when we did compete in Manila, I could feel all your support all the way to Manila. So, daghang salamat for being here with us to celebrate and also for us to launch another milestone of hopefully another Cebuana in Manila. So, first, I think mo share ko no sa akong experience for Miss Universe Philippines Cebu. A lot of you were there with me on the day I decided to take a step, and it was with Miss Universe Philippines Cebu. Throughout my whole journey na agid mo sa ACOA. And it's very heartwarming because it's one of the many reasons why I strive every day to work hard and harder. It's never easy for a beauty queen. Samot na gyud usa ka Cebuana because the pressure will always be there if kanang Cebuana beauty queen ka, because I remember clearly when we did our press presentation in Miss Universe Philippines, it was February 7 or 10 man siguro to. I was very nervous because I knew from the start na I would be one of the ates at that moment yun. And then when I did arrive in Hilton in Newport City, a lot of the girls went up to me and said hi, and that was when I realized that Miss Universe Philippines Cebu is one of the top-notch yun, because a lot of them did mention that they did spend the whole night to watch the coronation night of Miss Universe Philippines Cebu. And I'm very grateful to Miss Irma, the whole board of Miss Universe Philippines Cebu for giving it another shot and giving another Cebuana an opportunity to shine on a bigger stage also. Miss Universe Philippines Cebu is really close to my heart because when I did decide, a lot of, how do you call this, mga distractors, mga people who did not believe in me so much that I could once again perform on a bigger stage. But with Miss Universe Philippines Cebu, even during the whole duration of the pageant here in Cebu, never did I feel that I was old, never did I feel that I was out of my prime already, but we did feel that every girl in the competition had a fair chance of winning and will have a fair chance of shining on a brighter stage. And with this new milestone of Miss Universe Philippines Cebu 2025, hopefully kitang tanan gihapon magtapok-tapok kung ato ipakita ang ato ang suporta sa ato ang kandidata, because that's my pride and joy good of being the representative of Cebu sa ato ang national stage. You will expect me you can expect nga makita gyapon ko ninyo because I will give my full support sa ato ang next Miss Universe Philippines 2025.